Odawara Automation, your industry-leading single-source solution for electric motor winding systems. Electric motor manufacturers around the world have learned to count on motor assembly and winding equipment designed and built by Odawara Automation for producing quality stators and armatures for their electric motors. This presentation is about the latest iteration of Odawara's advanced terminal fuser machine. These machines are designed to fuse multiple lugs with truly unique features that make them valuable to both high volume and specialty manufacturing. An integrated AI camera system carries out multiple checks at once, simultaneously decreasing the chances of operator error as well as fallout. Odawara's new terminal fusers are considerably faster than the previous models. Active cooling terminal lugs during fusing decreases part-to-part time. A new index table allows for a part to be loaded while another part is fusing, increasing throughput. These are only a few of the many significant features that make Odawara's machines the fastest, most efficient terminal fusers available in the industry. Using PLC controls and high-performance industrial servo motors result in highly accurate motion control. These are coupled with an optimally designed direct cooling system for both precise and consistent fusing. The terminal fuser includes an enhanced operator interface package. It has been designed to be extremely versatile while maintaining a user-friendly format. The equipment designed by Odawara follows accepted industrial ergonomic standards, ensuring user-friendly part loading and unloading for all operators. The auto cycle screen is graphically displayed during the entire auto cycling process. It is continually updated with messaging and progress monitoring. This screen also allows the user to select various pop-ups for verification. Changes to an auto cycle program are possible without the need of a coder. New part programs can be developed directly from the HMI without hard coding. The terminal fuser allows for manual part rework through a sequential function screen. Odawara puts a preeminence on safety as such. All machines are designed to a Category 3 safety standard. The terminal fuser utilizes dual-channel e-stop circuits and gate latches, as well as an array of safety light curtains. Odawara provides an option to upgrade to multiple language packages. Option to upgrade the HMI to a Bluetooth wireless tablet. Optional upgrade of an integrated Historian data point logger. Odawara Automation, your industry-leading single-source solution for electric motor winding systems.